So of course we start every day with a bagel. They gave you a new name today. Em's getting creative. I think she's got, what'd you get?
I got double raisin. I got cinnamon raisin bagel with a raisin and walnut cream cheese.
Looks good. So walking up Broadway, it's the aftermath of that snowstorm that came through yesterday. And it's just a nightmare trying to walk up the road and not slip over. How you doing, Em?
I only slipped once.
You did only slip once, and you had coffee in your hand and you didn't spill it.
Yeah. We didn't put me.
Unlike Ollie.
Hey, I got a bit of tea on my arm, that's fine. At least we didn't end up on the grass like you did.
Yeah.
And you caught it on camera.
I did. The snow is just, it's gone from being pretty and white to like sludgy and brown. It's pretty disgusting. Some of it is really pretty, like in the parks. So the untouched area is really pretty, but then you get where the cars have been driving on it. And it's not. Today we're off to, where are we going? Jersey. Jersey. We're going to the Jersey Mall or something, isn't it?
Jersey Garden Mall.
There you go, Jersey Garden Mall. So we have to catch a bus there. So we're lining up at the Port Authority bus terminal bus stop. What is it? 223 to get the 111 to I don't know, it's so confusing. This place is massive.
There's also numbers.
Yeah. But we're gonna go and have fun, maybe. You're gonna buy lots of stuff?
Well, not lots of stuff.
It's just stuff.
I only have carry-on.
That's true, that's true. On the bus, on our way to Jersey Gardens Mall. There's Ollie over there. Go on, Emma, go! I would want to slide down, that'd be so much fun. I think somebody's already done it. I like shopping with Emma again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To go under.
See anything you like?
Lure?
Velour. Nice. It's very you.
It's massive.
It is massive, isn't it? It's just like a giant shed.
We tried their jeans. Hollister.
They're thick.
They go up on you? Grab one next, yeah. Wow.
And then you just wear some booty shorts and then you only see a tiny bit of skin, which is classy.
Which is classy. Shopping adventure is over. Emma got jeans and what else?
Some undies.
Jeans and like short things. Ollie got, what did you get?
I come empty-handed.
Empty-handed. He didn't find any boots in his size, and I got root beer. So now we're gonna head back to Manhattan and go. That's the one we went into. Let's go get on.
Run it.
Go to Gary's Papaya and get hot dogs, and then we're gonna watch a hockey game tonight, which is gonna be awesome. Very excited. On the bus, heading home. Big deck shop. So what's the date today? The 5th?
Yep.
5th of January?
Yep.
5th of January. Valentine's Day stuff.
And this is
And-
more scary.
And all the cards. What is wrong with you guys? Just enjoy the now. Forget about the future. Well, Valentine's Day. Oh, poop.
No, not one.
So we left Port Authority, walk like 30? 30 blocks to Gary's Papaya. For the best hot dogs in New York, apparently. Oh, yeah. Yeah, pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, I mean... There you go. New York Magazine says it's the best in New York. Worth it. Amsterdam and West 72nd Street. Do it. There's Julia. Meh. Apparently that's the pub they modelled the one on How I Met Your Mother on. Looks nothing like it. Going to watch an ice hockey game.
Go team.
Go the team that's winning. Your face is great. This is not like an AFL game. No, Emma. We are so high up.
Yeah.
I'm fine. How we doing, guys?
At center, number 13, Matt Garza. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, 6 for a total of 38.
Hey guys, how was the game?
We lost, but hey.
How's
I'm switching.
you are?
I'm
We're
switching.
Penguins fans now.
Yeah. So, what did you think of your first NHL game?
It was very cool. There weren't too many breaks though.
Yeah, but it was cool. I enjoyed it.
Not enough playing of sport.
Yeah. Well, it was no AFL game, but it wasn't bad. We just stopped. Game's over. We stopped to get some chicken, and we're at Flip Bird in Brooklyn. Ollie's back. So we're ready to go, but it still takes us 10 minutes just to put everything back on to go outside because it's that damn cold. Rugging up, rugging up, rugging up. We're home. So much fun today. Our last evening in New York. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I did.
Today was really good. Anyway, we're going to go to bed because we were wrecked. Last day tomorrow.
What are we gonna do?
No. We'll work it out. See you then.
No.